Are you getting an upload error in Krea AI when trying to add images or files? Don't worry, this is a common issue, and in this guide I'll show you exactly how to fix Krea AI upload errors in 2026. So let's get started. First, make sure your file is supported. Krea AI usually works best with common image formats like JPG and PNG. Also check the file size. Very large images can fail to upload. Next, try renaming your file. Remove special characters, emojis, or long file names. Yeah, sometimes something as small as a file name can cause upload issues. Now refresh the page and try uploading again. Temporary browser glitches can interrupt the upload process. A weak or unstable internet connection can cause uploads to fail. Run a quick speed test and make sure your connection is stable before trying again. Some browser extensions or VPNs may block file uploads. Temporarily disable them and try uploading your file again. I mean, this fix works more often than people expect. Old browser data can sometimes interfere with uploads. Clear your cache and cookies, restart your browser, and then try again. If the issue continues, switch to another browser like Chrome, Edge, or Firefox. This helps determine whether the issue is browser-specific. If your image is too large or high resolution, try compressing it before uploading. Smaller files usually upload faster and more reliably. If nothing works, contact Krea AI support and include screenshots of the error. This will help them identify and fix the issue faster. And that's how to fix Krea AI upload errors in 2026. Most issues come down to file size, format, or browser problems. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.